as Tesla slowly rolls out the Model 3 to customers, it's already plotting improvements it can introduce in future software updates. Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed this week that the Model 3 will expand its voice control capabilities. Responding to a question on Twitter, Musk said drivers will be able to control pretty much anything on the Model 3 by using voice commands. Software team is focused on core Model 3 functionality right now, but that will be done soon, then we will add a lot more features, Musk also wrote. Musk didn't delve into specifics regarding the new voice control system. But as we saw at this year's Consumer Electronics Show, automakers and tech companies are envisioning a future in which the car becomes more and more like your personal assistant. Google Assistant just rolled out to Android Auto this month, and Hyundai previewed a voice control system that can adjust the temperature in the cockpit and perform other advanced functions. Tesla is expected to update its navigation system early this year as well. Musk said late last year the new system will be light years ahead of the current one.